Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about batch leads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find a list of out-of-state owners in batch leads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find out-of-state owners in batch leads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing wholesale real estate, or maybe you're an investor, you know the out-of-state property owners sometimes get annoyed with a property because it's hard to manage from a distance. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your batch leads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my batch leads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find a list of out-of-state owners, first you have to choose your farming area. That's going to be right here. It can be either a city, a county, a zip code. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use a zip code 90011. Okay, once you see the location, go ahead and click on it. Okay, once you do that, Batch Leads is going to show you how many properties they have logged in that area. As you can see, we're working with about 292,000 properties. So in order to find a list of out-of-state owners, you're going to click here on all filters. Once you do that, the cool thing is Batch Leads has a quick filter for that. So you can click here, quick filter, and then click right here on out-of-state absentee owners. Okay, once you click there, you can see that they've logged about 7,200 properties that they have deemed out-of-state owners, and that's based off of usually tax records. So that's a huge list for me. So generally what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and narrow it down even more. So this is going to vary depending on what your goal is. But for me personally, I like to buy off market. So I'll click MLS status, and then I'll click right in here and click no for off market properties. Also, I like to buy from individual owners, not corporations. So I'll click here on ownership info, and then down here, owner type, I'm going to click on individual. Okay, so you can see it drop down to about 1,000 properties. And I personally like to buy residential single family. So I'm going to click here on property characteristics, and inside here, property classification, I'm going to click on residential. And then over here on property type, I'm going to choose single family. Okay, now you can see this is a little bit more of a reasonable list, 412 properties. So you can keep adding on layers and layers. So for example, if you want to filter out by equity, you can click here on valuation and equity. And let's say that maybe we're looking for something that has at least 50% equity. Okay, now we're down to 347 properties. So for me, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to click here on this blue button, see properties. Okay, now it's going to go ahead and populate your list down here, so you can go through and check to see which one you want to add to your lead. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find a list of out-of-state owners in your Batch Leads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.